Everybody, this is Jeff with DIY TV Show, and today we are going to be doing Microsoft Excel addition and subtraction for beginners. Basic stuff, but really quick. Making Excel spreadsheet a calculator. So here is a really easy way to do it. Is you can start right here, and you can just go sum, and then you hit return, and you'll have 10, right? So let's do that again. Come over here, sum. And so you're just looking for this icon that says functions, and that should really just make things really simple for you. For example, if I just wanted to add up all of this, I go one row before I want the result to propagate, so I go sum. Bam. Just that easy. Watch. The power of Excel, right? So that's the fast way, okay? So let's go ahead and remove that. Oh, well, let me just show you how we can get all these numbers to just calculate together, right? Just showing you how easy it is. There it is. That's all of these numbers, the total right there. Just simply using this command function. And as you can see in here, there's sums, averages, counts. Let's play around with some of these other features, right? So you can go right here. Let's get the average of those numbers. And the average of those is 67, probably because 512 brought up the running average of all of these. Let's get this one. So we'll do average. 43. Look how easy that is. Okay, so obviously I said we were doing addition and subtraction, but we'll do some averaging there too, right? And we'll empty this by hitting cut, right? Oh, delete. See, when you move fast with Excel, it's really not that complicated. It's pretty easy, right? Let's see if we can do it a different way if you don't have that feature and you want that number. What you can also do is you can come here. This is more the manual way. You can hit equals, and then you just hit that right there. And then you want to put plus, right? And then you add that one, and then you hit return, and that's the manual way to get that number, okay? So if you wanted to get the number for all of these here, you come right over here, you hit that, and you wait for this to go from a cursor or a hand into a addition sign, and you just go like that, and there you go. You've got all of the numbers added together just like that. Really easy, right? So, what else can we do here? Let's see, we've got, if you wanted to subtract that, say, so let's just do the subtraction, the manual subtraction of that, right? You can go and do this. So you do equals, and you do 4, or I'm sorry, you click on that, right? You click on the 4, and then you put the minus sign. And then you do that again, and you hit enter, and there you go. You have that. Same thing if you wanted to get the full row. Wait till it becomes a full addition or a cross, whatever you want to call that, a crosshair, and you can just go like that. There you go. So for subtraction, you're not waiting for it to become a subtraction icon. You're just waiting for that crosshair to come up. So it might be confusing if you thought that. This is just really the basic stuff. I mean, we could play around with this a little bit more if you guys wanted, but it's just the basics. I like this tool because it makes functions so much easier. You know, you can really just dive in here, and that's more advanced Excel stuff. But this is really the basics. This should make your spreadsheet come alive for you, for those of you who are still using calculators to do Excel. And if you guys enjoyed this video and this helped, please do like the video. And if you want to subscribe to DIY TV Show, you can also subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.